One of the most important chapters in grammar, which is gerund and to plus infinitive. Whatever you are doing, either it is in your writing or speaking or even in your competitive examination, so this is one of the most important chapters and you all should definitely command this. So first of all, let's understand what is a gerund. What is to plus infinitive? How is it used in different contexts? And what are the standard examples? And based on the examples, you can develop your own sample examples. So here we go. Gerund. It is always the V1 plus ing form of a word. V1 is verb in the base form, that is present tense. With that, there is an ing adding to it. So it is a verb with an ing in the end. The simple and the beautiful one to start with. Fine. What is its role? It acts like a noun in a sentence. The role of the gerund is not the verb, though it has a verb in it, students. It acts like a noun in any form of the sentence you are writing. Fine. Let's understand with a little bit of example. The word is swimming. The moment we see the word swimming, we understand or we perceive that because it has ing to the verb, it is obviously the verb, either in the present continuous or even in the past continuous. For example, he is swimming, probably like this, or maybe in the past tense, like he was swimming. Fine. But what are we learning? We are learning it in the form of a gerund. If we use the same word swimming in the sentence like I like swimming, I is the subject, like is the verb. What is swimming? Swimming is the noun here. Swimming is the gerund. Swimming is a thing which I like to do. So anything which is a thing, a name, a place, or a person or an animal comes into the category of nouns. Right. Hope you are clearly understanding the difference between a verb and a noun as a gerund. Okay. If you want to still command it, after understanding the usage, the structure, it is always after the verb, there comes the gerund. If you want to really command it, test yourself with a simple question. Ask, what is it? What is it that you like? So it is swimming. If the answer comes, it is swimming, then swimming is considered as a gerund. Example, one more time. What I like to do. So it is, I like swimming or it is swimming. So the answer is, it is swimming. It is being replaced for what? Swimming. Now, let's get into little details. All the verbs like enjoy, avoid, suggest, like, and love take this word gerund. For example, I love dancing. She enjoys cooking. They avoided talking about it. Okay, little more now. It is generally after the prepositions like in, on, at, about, and for. For example, she is interested in learning French. After the preposition in, you have the gerund learning. Next example, thank you for helping me. For is the preposition. After the preposition, it is helping me. He left without saying goodbye. Saying here is the gerund. Gerund can also be as the subject of the sentence. This is the third application. Example, playing cricket makes me happy. What are you doing? You are playing cricket. But here, playing is not the verb. It is the gerund. It is the subject. Playing cricket. It is the name of the activity. And that is what makes you happy. Next, fruits itself are the plural noun. And before the noun, it is eating. Eating fruits. This is the activity. This is the thing. So this is the gerund. Eating fruits is good for health. Hope you have commanded what a gerund is. Now, the next part is to plus infinitive. To plus EV1. What is it used for? If there is a plan, there is a purpose, there is a reason, or you have an intention, we use the form to plus V1. For example, when someone wants or hopes or tries to do something, we use to plus V1. For example, I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Second, she decided to travel abroad. She decided to travel abroad. That is what she wants. They came here to study. That is their trial. That is their intention. They came here to study. So what are we saying? To plus V1 form, that is to learn in the first example. Then it is to plus travel, which is to plus infinitive in the second example. Similarly, to plus V1, which is to study. Okay. How do you command it? There is something where you can cross check and come out of the fear of grammar. So here ask the question why. Why you want to study English or what do you want to do? So it is why. So the answer starts with to study, to learn, to travel. Okay. Why you want to go abroad? To travel. Why you want to come here? To study. Why you want to learn? What do you want to know about English? So it is to learn. Similarly, the other question. Why did she go to the library? Why did she go to the library? She went there to read books. So what is the to plus infinitive? To read. To read. It is also taken with the verbs like want, decide, plan, hope, need, learn, forget, promise, or agree. Example, I hope to pass the exam. I hope to pass the exam. I agreed to help me, or he agreed to help me. We need to buy groceries. We need to buy groceries. So remember the list of verbs. Learn something to command something. Words like want, decide, plan, hope, need, learn, forget, promise, agree. Example, moving forward now. It is for the reason or purpose. For some reason or purpose. Example, why do we do something? So what is the reason for it to do something? Or what is the purpose for it to do something? She tries hard or she studies hard. What is the purpose? To get good marks. I exercise daily to stay healthy. What is the reason behind exercising daily? To stay healthy. They work hard to earn money. Why is it we are doing something? It is to earn money. So what is this all example context? These are to show the reason or the purpose. Then it is after the adjectives like happy, glad, ready, afraid. For example, I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Then she is ready to start the meeting. She is ready to start the meeting. He is afraid to speak in public. Let's see the full length examples. After understanding the clear examples of gerunds and to plus infinitives, understanding and commanding them, let's see the long sentences. First the set of gerunds, then the set of to plus infinitives, and then both gerund and infinitives in the same examples. Good, right? So here is the first one. Many people believe that recycling wastes help reduce environmental pollution. Next, government should promote using public transport instead of private cars. So you are understanding here. This is the subject, public transport, and before that it is the word using. This is the gerund in the sentence here. Next, spending time with family improves mental health and strengthens relationships. What is it? The subject of the sentence is spending time. Similarly, studying abroad allows students to experience diverse cultures. What is the subject? Studying abroad. Studying being the gerund. Some people think that eating fast food regularly leads to health problems. What is the subject? It is eating fast food. Eating gerund again. Next. Example, which is to plus infinitives. Parents should guide their children to choose the right path. What should they do? They should help them to guide the choose the right path. The aim of advertising is to attract more customers. To attract. To plus infinitive. People save money to achieve financial independence. To achieve. To plus infinitive. Schools must provide free meals to support in low-income families. Low-income families are to be supported. To support is to plus infinitive. The government increased the tax rate to control alcohol consumption. Right. Now the combination sentences. Learning foreign languages helps students to connect with people from other cultures. Let's break it again. Learning foreign languages, the word learning being the gerund, and to connect is to plus infinitive. To plus infinitive here. Good. Then, working in a team teaches individuals to cooperate and to solve problems effectively. We have two verbs here. So it is one which is to cooperate and continuing to solve. The other two plus infinitive. It is working in a team. Working being the gerund. Reading daily newspapers encourages people to stay informed about global issues. Taking regular breaks allows employees to maintain better focus and productivity. And practicing meditation helps people manage stress effectively. One more time, practicing meditation helps people to manage stress effectively. Fine. That was a small session of grammar on gerunds and to plus infinitives. Hope you have commanded the subject properly and hope you rigorously use it both in your writing and speaking. Happy learning.